Welcome everyone. Today I will show you how to change your country on MeetMe app. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open your MeetMe app like this first. It's going to open directly on the home page. So next you have to click here. And right now you should open next your settings. Click on my account. And right now you will see here my data country. If you want to change it, as you read here, to change the country, please contact support.meetme.com. So if we click, we will choose our Gmail, and then we will contact the support and we will say that we want to change our country. And that's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.